this is Demi Cute Charms, and Jasmine Cute One is with me. Hi. And today I received this package from Cupcake Girls. And yep, I already opened the package because I was a little confused about the name. I didn't recognize the name, but yeah, it's them. So first of all, we trade for this deco tape, and then this one, and then this one, and this shoe deco tape that I love. It's absolutely cuteness. And then this one.